Hello everyone, we will start off by gathering all of the hair together and then twist it around the finger as such. Wrap it and make it into a bun. Take the excess amount of hair, stuff it in through the side and then wrap up the rest of the hair around it. After this, take this long clip and then we have used the decorative piece, clip it up at the back. Next, we'll start off by taking a section from the middle of the hair and then add this braid making device to it. After this, take sections from the left and the right side and then insert it into the crevices that are present of this. After you are done with it, it should begin to look like a French braid as such. Once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band to it. We have chosen to add a decorative clip. Next, tie a ponytail to the hair as such and then make a gap in the middle of the ponytail and the scalp and then roll this in on itself. Make a bun out of it instead. After you have done this, comb up the gaps and then add your decorative clip on top of this. We have chosen to add a decorative butterfly. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back and then twist it one on top of the other. Now to this, add a multi-level clip to it. Take a section from the center of the hair, twist it, insert it into the center level of the clip. Take a section of the hair from the right side, twist it, insert it into the left side of the clip. Now take a section from the right side, insert it into the right side of the clip. Tie it up all together as such. Roll it up and then add your decorative pin to it. Adjust the hair. Next, take a section of the top of the scalp and then twist it, roll it upwards and then clip it up using a decorative multi-level clip. Take a section from the middle, twist it, insert it into the middle section of the hair. Take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the left section of the clip. Now take a section from the left side, twist it, insert it into the right side of the clip as such. At the top, join all of the hair together and then add a rubber band to it. Once you have added your rubber band, fold it in downwards, make it into a bun and then use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we'll start off by gathering all of the hair together and then tie a low ponytail to the hair as such. After this, make a small bun out of the hair, loosen it slightly and then roll it up. Cover up the bun that you have created and then add your decorative rubber band on top of this as well. We have chosen to add this scrunchie in purple. Take two sections from either side of the scalp, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and then do this right underneath as well. Now, taking the bottom section of the hair, braid the hair, loosen the sides as such. Roll it upwards once you are done, and then use clips in order to fasten it in its place. This will be the final look of your hairstyle. Next, take this kind of stick that is known as a bun stick, tie a ponytail out of the hair and wrap the hair around this. After that, adjust the hair around it accordingly. Now, make sure that the small bits of hair at the bottom as well are not there. Next, tie a ponytail and then slightly loosen this ponytail, roll the section of the hair in on itself and then divide it in two parts. Join them together and then comb them, and after this make a small little bump out of them, add another rubber band in the middle and then fasten it in its place. After this, add your decorative clip on top to make it look all the more better. Start off by tying a ponytail and then after this add a hair stick to it. Divide the ponytail into two sections and then wrap it around the hair stick. Twist one over the other as such until you reach the bottom, and once you reach the bottom you may add a rubber band and then twist it in the top as such. This will be the final look of your hairstyle. Fasten it in place. Thank you for watching.